So I've been hard at work lately. We've got this kind of mocked in here. We've got our fuses together. We've got this on here. Don't mind the multimeter lead. This is temporary for now just to see how it works. But we're to the point of there's oil in it. We turn the key on. We get a fuel pump prime. Everything in here works. None of these wires are hot. This actually works. And I even get my 2-second fuel prime. Yes, I have a fuel leak. I need to fix that. But we've got fuel. We've got electronics. All we're needing is spark and compression. And I think we'll have her fired up this week. Stay tuned, guys. This is exciting.